Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. This is year model 2008. I'm going to open the whole console, the panel, where we have a DVD and climate control module or radio in there. That whole panel needs to be removed. And why I'm removing it? Because the climate control module is gone bad and I'm going to replace it. I wanted to share with you how efficiently, how it's easy you can remove it without damaging it or without breaking it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We need to open the whole thing. And how we going to open it, that I'm going to share with you. This is the whole piece. We're going to remove it. If you have a pry tool, that is the best. If you don't have a pry tool, don't force it, but use a bigger screwdriver. Do not use a smaller screwdriver, because when you're going to put a smaller screwdriver, that will make cut into your panel. With a bigger screwdriver, you have more leverage. So once we put it here, you start from the left hand or the right hand, either side, but start from the corner. When you do that, clip right here, you press a little bit and then you pull it. And then the second one comes here and the third one is right here. Now in the bottom, what I would suggest you, take these two screws out and pull this handle out. Why I'm saying it? Because the handle is so big, we cannot work easily. So once the handle is removed, you put your hand here and you pry this out. And as you pry, there is a clip on the back that comes out. As you see, this side, the clip comes out. And now I'm going to do the same thing. If you use a pry tool, that is good, but I think the bigger screwdriver, that helps better. Look at this. You heard that cracking sound. And now we have one tab right here. You see, this one is right here on this side. So we're going to pull it also. So I'm going to put the screwdriver right here. We just have to be very gentle. You don't force it too much. If you force it, then you will break it. Then it's not worth it. You've seen it. Just be confident, you're not going to break it, anything. Yes, you will break it if you force it. You need a lot of patience to do this job right. So now you've seen it, slowly, we opened it. So let me show you. So as you see, this one now comes out. It's the whole panel. And let's take a look on the back. So I'm gonna get down. So I wanted to show you. First, I'm going to remove the electrical connector, which is for this electrical connector for this one, and which is on the back. We need to press that and then pull it. And we're going to open this, then at the bottom one. Now there is one wire for the clock. Wire on the back for the clock. How smoothly, clearly, easily we removed it. If you try to rush it, then you're definitely going to break it. If you're not going to break it, then you're going to bend it. This metal thing will bend easily. Now, if you look, I will show you on both sides. These three on right here, these three right here. This is the main one in the center. Then these three are the one we're going to work. One on this side, one on this side, and one right in the middle. And these are the one I was showing you right here. So these goes right in here, and these three goes in here. So now our climate control is exposed. That's how easy you can remove panel for climate control on HUMMER H2 2008. And if this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And to put it back, it's very easy. These 3 tabs, you've seen it, and 3 on this side, 2 right in the middle, and 2 on the corner. When we're going to put it, you just keep pressing and you will install it. What is the reason? Why did I remove it? Because my climate control module is gone bad and I'm going to replace it. That's one of the reasons. So please watch out the video in case if you having issue climate control, how you can do it. So if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.